In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signature in DocuSign. To get started, sign into your DocuSign account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Start button, click it, and then choose Send an Envelope. This is the option you'll use when you want to send a document out for signatures, approvals, or other recipient actions. Next, upload the document you want to send. You can usually do this by browsing your computer and selecting the file, or by dragging and dropping it into the upload area if that option is available. Before moving on, take a quick moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file and that it's the final version you want recipients to review and sign. After the document has been added, go to the Add Recipients section. This is where you'll enter the details for everyone involved in the signing process. Start by typing the recipient's name into the appropriate field. Then enter the recipient's email address carefully, since this is where the signing request will be sent. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling here, to avoid delivery issues. Once the recipient's information is entered, select the recipient's action from the drop-down menu. This determines what that person is expected to do with the document, such as signing or receiving a copy. Choosing the correct action is important because it controls the recipient's role in the workflow. If you need to include another person, click Add Recipient. This will give you another set of fields so you can enter the next recipient's information. Repeat the same process for each additional person. Enter the name, add the email address, and select the appropriate action. Take your time here to make sure each recipient is assigned correctly. If the document needs to be completed in a specific sequence, set the signing order for the recipients. This is especially useful when one person must review or sign before the next person receives the envelope. Setting the order properly helps keep the process organized and ensures the document moves through the right workflow. When everything looks correct, click Next to move on to adding fields for each recipient. This is the stage where you'll place items like signature, date, or other required fields onto the document so each person knows exactly where to take action. Thanks for watching.